Hey guys, in this video, if you're seeing this ladder, well, we're going to do a smoke alarm. I put in my final smoke alarm, so, and here's the one from out of my hallway. And I might do maybe a system test, but I will push it. You just have to wait a couple of seconds. So, yeah. I know. There we go. Holy crap, that's loud. Actually, hold on. Yeah. But I remember the name. This is a notifier. Simplex. And I made a fire alarm. Simplex. I got two Simplexes. Pulsation one. And this one. And a strobe one. And a notifier. I forgot the name. Alright, hold on. Turn it. Alright, you always have to wait for a couple of seconds to stop it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. It's off. But yeah. I just put it over here. I know more every day. No, mother trigger. Here's the Simplex. I actually got 2, 3. This is like a key one, key fob. So, yeah. So, here's the one. Was out there, right there. I don't know why we don't have it right there anymore. So, yeah. Yeah, so. Yeah. Yep, I'll be right back. Alright, people, I'm back. So, right now, I got my Simplex, no fire, and another Simplex, and another Simplex in my room. So, yeah. Yeah, yep. So, now I will, ouch. I always like putting my thing down here on the floor. Why not? Alright, I'm thinking to start the Simplex one. You have to wait. I told you, you always have to wait for 2 seconds. So yeah, yep. Alright. So yeah. Strobe. No fire. I'm gonna reset it. Alright, now let's try the no fire. So yeah. Let me silence it. Alright. Yeah, I got my Simplex. This is another one. I don't have my other no fire. The other one, like this one, I took down and did a different one. Because, yeah, why not? This is what's inside looks like, so. Yep. So, yep, I'm going to reset it. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. I don't know if you can even see it. It's the gray one, and there's another red one. That's supposed to be like the label for the fire alarm. So, let's now try the key. Yep, there we go. Yep. So, yeah, yep. It's pretty loud. Yep, now, let's reset the thing. Alright, I silenced it, now I resetted it. Alright. I hope you like this video, and see you in the next one.